A great thing for you to be doing while you're at home. I actually did this about 2 years ago with a whole bunch of my media, and it's been fantastic. This is called Legacybox. We have a choice of sizes. The 18 is the most common, so if you're wondering where to go, go there. But it takes all of your old media, whether it be reels, whether it be VHS tapes, whether it be pictures, Polaroids, and it puts it all onto a USB, a CD, I do believe, and also a digital link, so you could actually email it to friends and family. It's a great way to organize and clean up and downsize and then go through a lot of your memories. This Legacybox company has been on fire. They have been so busy, but they are able to give us a very special value right now and a 2-week turnaround time for you, our QVC customer. Free shipping and handling as well. That's on the way. Goodbye part. That waving part that happens, yeah, no, that thing takes care of it. That's fantastic. Oh, it felt so good those last 20 minutes. It went by like that. I love this product. I have this. I did this 2 years ago. It's called Legacybox. Those of you who know me, I'm Kirsten Lindquist. This is mine and Alberti's show. It's called Saturday Morning Q. We're so happy that you're here. I have children, a lot of them. Sometimes I feel like a gazillion of them, but it's just 3. And I love to take pictures of them. I love to take videos. I love to document everything. And this is a way for me to organize it all. This takes whatever media you have. Do you have old VHS tapes? Yep, me too. Had those. Okay, so really, if you have reels, oh my goodness, let's chat, because what was that like? These little color slide film things that my dad used to always take when I was a baby, black and white photos, regular photos that are disintegrating from places. All of this media, whether it be sound, whether it be pictures, everything from your Betamax, oh my goodness, your mini DVs. I had cassette tapes that I used and put in here. All of this goes into the box. There is a prepaid shipping, UPS, put it into the mail, and it comes back to you within 2 weeks on a couple of different forms. First of all, a link, so you can email it to all your friends and family to see all of that. A USB, so you can keep that and maybe either get rid of all of this or put it away and know that it's fine if it gets lost because you have it all. It is called the Legacybox. There are a couple of different options for you here, and it is perfect for such a time as this, and here's why. We're home a little bit more. We're thinking more about family and friends and memories and knowing what's near and dear to us. This is a great way to go through those memories, to organize things. It is a great summer project. You have options of 2 pieces. That means you can put 2 pieces into the box and they will convert it into that USB. Or 8 pieces. The most popular is the 18-piece box, which is $179.98. And then we have the granddaddy of them all, the 38-piece box that you can put in here. The prices vary from $29.98 to $349.98. It's free shipping and handling. It's 5 easy payments. This company, since everything started more than 100 days ago, has been overwhelmed with people using this service to protect their memories. We are so lucky that we were able to get what we have in right now, give you about a 2-week turnaround time on this, and give you free shipping and handling. But you've got to go quick, because everybody else is just like you and trying to take these memories and figuring out a good thing to do at home and trying to keep them. With me right now via Skype is Melissa Dawson. She's going to talk to us more about the Legacybox. Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm great.
I just love this company.
Isn't it great? It's so good.
Yes. So great that it's back, because let's face it, this is a project that we all need to do. We all have VHS tapes. We've got those camcorder tapes. We've got our reels. We've got old photographs, and we want to be able to preserve them and digitize them for a lifetime. That is what Legacybox does for you. And I love this brand new configuration that they brought in, because they will actually deliver to you a USB drive where now everything, you get back your originals and everything on a USB drive that you can easily plug into your computer. You can share it with everybody in the family, and they even send you a digital download link. So now on your phone, on your tablet, on your computer, you can see all of those memories and share all of those memories with your family and friends. Because let's face it, we don't just want one memory keeper. We want everybody in the family to have those memories. That's what Legacybox is delivering for you. So this is a simple mail-in service. They simply mail you your Legacybox, depending on the size. I will tell you the 18 pack is our most popular package. We find that most people have 15 to 20 tapes, reels. You can mix and match here. So just simply place in whatever it is that you would like digitized. Every individual item gets its own sticker, and so everything is individually tracked and traced. You get email updates throughout the process as well. And then in about 2 weeks, you get your box back, all of your originals, and again, that digital download link along with everything now on a USB drive as well. And again, we do it all. We have over 200 technicians that treat every single memory like one of their own family's memories. So you can see on here everything that we do. By the way, with photos and negatives and slides, 25 of those is considered one piece. So you can put in 25 photos and that's only one piece for you. We will digitize it all. And again, all of those reels as well, even cassette tapes. We do it all. I mean, we really kind of seen every media format out there. So have a blast with this. The nice part is once you get your box home, you have as much time as you want to be able to send it back to us. From the time you mail it into us, you will get it back in about 2 weeks with all your originals and then everything digitized. But Legacybox really has become the industry leader. I love that they're right here in the USA, in Tennessee. Over 50,000 square foot facility and over 200 technicians where this is all they do is preserve memories all day long.
You know, you think you remember. I've talked a lot about how my mom has cognitive issues, and she has for over 11 years now. So we go through a lot of photos with her to try and spark some memories and bring her some joy. And that's a situation where I understand that she's lost her memories. But even myself, I wrote a memoir years ago, and I was going back and doing some audio recordings of it. And even though it was only about 10 or 11 years ago when that stuff happened, I was like, wow, I forgot that happened. I forgot that was my emotion there. I forgot that person. I forgot that scene, that situation. When you start to go back into your pictures, into your videos, into your cassette recordings, it brings back all of these things that maybe you didn't even know you forgot. And it's a gift to you. It's a gift to your children, to your grandchildren. It's a gift to future generations. There's so many things that happened in my parents' life that now that my mother has lost her memories, there isn't really anybody to ask about. I don't know what it was like then or what happened when I was 3 years old because there's nobody to remind me anymore. This is such an important part of your history, your story, your gift to future generations. And it's really easy. And actually going through it, Melissa, because I did this a couple of years ago, it's emotional, it's fun, it's rewarding. There's the after effect of being organized and knowing that a picture like this or a slide, if there were to be a flood or a fire or something like that, is now safe because I have it on a link or a USB.
Absolutely. And we all took those times, right? We broke out those camcorders, we broke out those cameras. They were important memories for a reason. And so to be able to go back, most of us don't even know what's on these VHS tapes. So for a lot of you, you're going to be getting this USB and this digital download, back and be like, oh my goodness, I didn't even remember that I recorded that, to your point. It really is nice. And I love that we've been seeing people are really looking for meaningful projects to do during this time. A lot of us are disconnected from our family. So a lot of people have been setting up like Zoom, kind of watch parties. Once you get that digital download link, you can email it to everybody in the family and now kind of have that watch party where you're all kind of going through those memories together. We all want to have this project done. So if you're not going to do it now, when are you going to do it? Probably never, right?
Yeah, right.
And we know, unfortunately, those VHS tapes are disintegrating every single day. They degrade over time. They don't last forever. Most of us don't have VCRs anymore. So today's the day to do it. But to your point, you're going to love getting these memories back. I can't promise you there won't be tears, but they are going to be happy tears.
And hopefully we won't have a time like this again, but this is a time for us to be able to do this since we're home. Let me remind you of what you're getting. A 2-piece kit. So you can put 2 pieces in, which is 25 photos. So you can put 50 photos or 2 of the cassette tapes, whatever it might be. We also have the 8-piece kit. The 18's the most popular. That's $179 and 5 easy payments of $36. Remember, free shipping and handling. Or the 38-piece. I mean, listen, most of us should just go full on and get the 38-piece because we have so many. But if you just want to try it out with 2, then do $29.98 for the 2-piece kit. Whatever you're getting home, you do have a 30-day love it or return it guarantee. And here's what happens when you get the box back in about 2 weeks. All of your stuff is still in there, Melissa.
Everything is in there. And again, you're getting that USB drive. And for the first time ever, we're also giving you that digital download link. So now you can view it on your computers, on your tablets, on your computers, and you can share it with everybody in the family. You also get that welcome guide coming included with your Legacybox. It really takes you through step by step how to send us those memories. But it could not be more simple and easy. And it's kind of fun, digging through the attic, the basement, finding all those memories that you want us to digitize for you. I mean, this is the way to do it. I know me personally, I've spent $40 to $50 just converting one VHS tape in the past. So when you think about the value of just getting one of the bigger boxes especially, it just makes sense, and it's going to be done. Now all the kids, you can send them their birthday memories, the sporting memories, you know, their first baby steps. It's really great for graduation. I think this is a great gift as well. I'm trying to get creative since I can't be there for so many of my nieces' graduations this year. I think this is a neat way to be able to have them digitize their whole childhood, and it's kind of a project that's done for them heading off into adulthood.
Here's your options. You have the 2-piece, the 8-piece, the 18-piece, or the 38-piece. The value does change there, and 5 easy payments and free shipping and handling. And you have yourself a really meaningful project and something that's really smart for you and your family. Melissa, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you. Good to be with you.
That's Legacybox. QVC.com for more information and give that one a try. Oh, hey, bud. How's it going?
Oh, you know, I'm just relaxing.
I work out. You're in bed.
I'm in bed. Oh, yes. You know, that's just like the way it is on Saturday mornings, Kirsten. You get to work out sitting down. I get to work laying on the bed.